pointing down. Good morning. Guess who's back? Big Tomo. Back from sunny Greece, 30 odd degrees, comes back here, 11. We've even got our trousers on. It's freezing. It's horrible. We're working in shade as well. Anyway, less at negativity. So yesterday, Monday, as you all know if you're following this vlog, we had a bit of a disaster, a bit of a forget. So we've put in there a Soakaway, old 62 ton underneath there. We've got a drain pipe running from that corner to it. And then obviously this air coat runs into that, runs into that, runs into that. So yeah, we had a quite busy day today. Yesterday, I was on my own, but 70-mile-an-hour winds, rain coming sideways, cracked on, had my waterproofs on, and then works like in between showers more or less, but I could not film. I put the intro on, and then in the van, and I basically said, if I film, I film. If I don't, I don't. It just is what it is. So, yeah, we're cracking on now. We are cracking on. Now Tom's back. We're going to get this in. We've got last cut here. Just going to do it now. Little cut down bottom, about 100 mil or something. And then we're sanding up, getting rid of the lay blocks. Might even put a few down today. I don't know. See what we feel like. But yeah, he's back. My baby's back. So yeah, this should move now. Next couple of days, this should move like hell. So I'm pretty happy, to be honest with you. Pretty happy. But yeah, catch you in a bit. Get these air cores in. Oh, it's bloody lovely that. Right, fast forward 2 hours. I'm home. So we got that screeded. I'll show you in the morning. I'll talk you all through it. We were just going through all at grates and stuff, all at manholes. So it's like, it was a bit finicky, but I never thought to record. Rain would come in. You could see a big black cloud. I was like, right, get all that rubble on van. And we went off. Tipped it. And now we're home. So I'm off shopping for the wonderful kids tonight to go buy 2 pairs of football boots. Actually, 3 pairs of football boots. Elliot is one at twins. He just wants just some football boots. Frankie wants studs. Andy wants blades. I'm guessing they're called. I don't know. Whatever. But to be fair, he does play like 3 or 4 times a week, so he does need them. But the joys of it, the political side of it, boring. But yeah, I will see you all in the morning. I'm going to head into Leeds, sit in traffic, like you do. I've got a bus stop next to his house that takes us right to the shop. No, still will not go on a bus. I hate them. I hate buses. Listening to Jackie and all of her problems. Not interested. Get me in the car park, and I'll go. Anyway, less of that. I'll see you in the morning, 8 o'clock, sharp.